we're removing that door panel. I'm gonna use my handy dandy seat. I'm gonna show you how to do this thing. Love this thing. It's such perfect height. So, let's start with this. Ready? Oh, easy. Look. We're gonna reveal the hidden screw. That puppy right there. So, let's get him out. I'm sure there's a screw behind here, because there always is behind Toyota. And we'll get our drill, and let's start taking stuff apart. That's what we like to do. Keeping a safe space. Let's get our little hook tool and get this guy out. And we're going to see if this is all we need to do to remove the door panel. Oh, hello. Oh, one screw. All right. All right, and it's above the handle, so you're not going to have to scratch the handle. All right, yeah. All right, now, is there anything on the bottom? Feel for it, like nope. So, we're going to pull, like I always do, from the corner. And we're going to assume this is the way you got to do it. So, it sounds like it is. Let's get the second hand going and see if we're missing something. I don't think we are. I stand corrected. Because I did say I don't think we are. That doesn't leave you in a corner. But we're going to pull the corner up and show you that we did miss something. And probably more screws. Ah! We found another screw. There you go. That is holding us in. This puppy is meant to stay, so leave it stay. Let's get this one screw out. Oh, and don't forget to pull the corner. Again with the corner. Pull this guy out. It pulls right out from here. So, let's get the door panel off and make sure this is the right way of doing it. Okay, if you want to leave the door handle in, it would be easier. Just pull up on this little tab right here. And the thing will just pop right out. One harness there, I got to disconnect. One harness down there, we got to disconnect. So let's get them out and we'll show you the end result. And voila. So there you have it. Ooh, this looks kind of cool. What are these? Wow. No way. I guess that reveals the window. Anyway, your door panel is gone. So do what you want with it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. And that's a big ass speaker. What is that, an 8-inch? Jeez. Thanks for watching.